come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting, guys. I have this project that I want to do. I want to use it in my my balloon arches, my garlands. I want to use it as a cake stand, as a candle holder, on and on and on. And you guys already know that I like to do things that's very versatile. So this one here is going to fit the bill. So what I did was I went to Dollar Tree and I have got two of these. These are like tops to a soda. Remember the Cokes that we used to buy years and years ago? This is just a giant version of that, which you can do a lot of different projects with. If you guys are looking for ideas what to do with that, just leave me a comment and ask me what are some of the things that you can do with this, and I'll definitely let you know. I have quite a few ideas what I can do with this, but for right now, what I want to do is I want to do something really cute, something simple, just like this. I have big fat giant candles that I can sit here. I have small cakes that I can sit here. I can literally use this for my jewelry to sit on, my change, my watch, even my phone will sit on top of it if I choose to sit it there. So guys, this thing here is going to be used for quite a few different things. Again, I'm going to make it something like a candle holder, or to hold my cakes when I make my when I'm doing my events. I could sit a small cake on top of there, which would be cute. Again, you could use whatever you want to use to sit on top of that. And stay tuned, because if you guys see this here, that's going to be one of my next projects. Something cute, simple. It's a light fixture, and later on we'll talk about that one. But for right now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece off here so I can, I might have to cut this. It's not coming off, so we're gonna have to cut that. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue these two pieces together like this. So I'm gonna take that off, just like that. And you guys, like I said, these were purchased from Dollar Tree. It's called the metal bottle cap. So we're just gonna remove both of them. And I'm not going to use glue today, hot glue. Usually I use hot glue with everything. All I'm going to do is clean these babies up with some alcohol, put some of this glue, the strong glue. I'm hoping that it holds, because I don't know what this is metal here. I don't know how it's going to work or how it's going to hold up. But you know what? We all for it, right, guys? So all I'm doing, guys, is I'm just taking it and removing some of the oils, you know, the handprints. If you really want to, you can actually sand it down, you know, so it can have that, make it more secure. But I'm not going to do all of that. I'm just going to clean mine with alcohol. Do a little blowing. And guys, these right here are so cute at Dollar Tree. If you happen to see these, I think you guys should pick it up. I always try to recommend what I think will work in a project. And this right here, you can just do so many things. You can literally turn it upside down and do it like this. You know, it's really up to you how you want it done. But I think it looks better this way. Either way looks cool, right, guys? Can you see the difference? Just check out the bottom piece. Yeah. Either way it'll look cool to me. So I'm going to do mine this way, though. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this glue here that I have. Glue it down. And then I'm going to set something heavy on top. And I'm hoping that works. I'm going to sit anything really heavy on top of it, but I am going to use it in my projects, like I said. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this glue, I'm going to put it around here, It's supposed to be some very strong glue. Used it in the past. I don't know if it's, I don't know, we'll see. I can always come back and use E6000 if this doesn't work. But I think this will hold it. This is some very strong glue. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on top. I'm going to try to center it. Just like that. My desk is very, very uneven, so that's a huge problem. Let me see what I have heavy. Let me see. Can I set this up here? Wow, that's a little too heavy. But let me see what else I could find. So guys, what I did was I put this heavy weight, let's see, on top. Right there, and that's just until I can get it to, stay up there by itself. So right now it's holding up. We'll see how that glue works. Like I said, I'm using this glue here, and it's supposed to be fairly good. Used it in past projects, it worked, but like I said, with this material, well, with this tin here and this one here, I don't know, but we'll see. And so tomorrow what I would do is I would turn it upside down and put some more underneath there just to make sure it holds. So that's about it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll continue, and oh yeah, we're definitely gonna spray paint those. It's two different colors I'm not fond of, so I will be spray painting them. Not sure of the color right now. It just might be white, since white will go with any theme that I'm planning on doing. It'll work with it. So if I do anything black, I don't want a real dark color with that, because like I said, I'm going to use those for my small cakes, and I'll show you that cake pan, or you guys will see the cake, because I'm going to make a cake and sit it in there just for visual effects. So you guys, you'll definitely see what I'm talking about. But as far as any and everything else that you can sit up in there and just, have fun with it. So many other different things can sit up in there. Like I said, your change, your jewelry, cakes, just any and everything, guys. I'm going to put a huge candle in there. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, right here you will see how I turned them upside down, and I reinforced by putting a little bit more glue, because it was doing a little wobbling thing, and I would really hate to have something like a cake sitting on top of them and it falls. So just remember to reinforce your glue and let it dry for 24 hours. Okay guys, so I wanted to bring you back so you guys can see the 6-inch cake pan that's that I was talking about. This is a cake pan. It's 6 inches, and if I make a cake, it will fit right on top of this metal top from Dollar Tree. And that's why I was saying that you can take this thing and make it into a cake, that it can hold cakes for you. Like I said, you can literally put your cakes, your 6-inch cakes on top of here. You can stack them, and this would be nice for any party, especially a kid's party where you don't want to have a big cake and you want a small 6-inch cake. This metal top from Dollar Tree will hold that cake. I'm going to have to reinforce it a couple of times to make sure it will hold up if you stack it 2 or 3 times. But guys, this is a cute idea. You can paint this any color. As of right now, I'm getting ready to take it outside to spray painted. I'm thinking about white, but we'll see. But one thing I can tell you is make sure you take a piece of sandpaper and sand the top and the bottom that you're going to connect or glue together. That'll give it a better hold. I didn't do that, so one fell apart, so I'm getting ready to do that one before I take it outside to spray paint it. Guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of these wooden hearts. I don't recall where I purchased these at, but it could have been from Dollar Tree. Comes in a small pack. And I'm just going to put it on the side right here just for decorations, because I really don't like the way that crease. Let me bring you in so you can see that crease. It's a little crease there. You see it here? I'm really not too fond. You really can't see it, but it's there, and I really don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to try to just take the focus off of that by putting some of these hearts. And once I spray paint them, you won't be able, it'll take the focus off of that crease there. The other one have a bigger crease. It just, I don't know, they didn't connect it or tighten it enough, so it has a little crease. So all I'm gonna do, like I said, is take these hearts and just, you know, just trying to take the focus off of it. So guys, I finished putting the hearts, as you can see there. And I think it's gonna come out pretty cute, especially when we spray paint it. I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little bit. I think it's gonna come out kind of cute when we spray paint it. Like I said, Dollar Tree sell all these kind of little wooden hearts. They got squares, they got circles. They just have a bunch of them. So guys, you can always pick. I had no reason to pick them up, but I picked them up because I said I can implement them in some of my wood projects or my wood plaques, just as a decoration. And I think I'm gonna go back and get another pack because I can do so many things with this. Now that I put them on here, I mean, they work up and they hold up pretty well. So guys, if you see these in Dollar Tree, I prefer you guys pick them up. Okay guys, so I took them outside to spray paint them, and this is how it's coming out. And guys, once again, I'll tell you guys if I have some good stuff, I'm going to tell you guys about it. It monitors the amount of spray that comes out, and it works, guys. So if you're using a lot of spray paint, I definitely suggest you pick this up. But this is how we're looking so far. I'm going to give it one more coat. Okay, welcome back, guys. I just wanted to bring you guys in to show you the finished product. The foam on top is considered as foam cakes, so I didn't get a chance to make real cakes, so I just wanted to show you that you can you know, make cakes and sit it in that pan. Just sit something in the bottom of it, you know, just give it a little bit of height if you choose to. If not, you could just sit that, you know, right on top. I'm going to show you just like that. What I would do is put a piece of parchment paper on top and just put my cake on it, and it'll come out pretty good, guys. But yeah, the same here. This one is completely done. I didn't scratch or paint the inside of that surface, so yeah, you can literally put your cakes on top of here. So what I'm going to do is, this is the finished product, guys, but what I want to do is I'm going to paint these over with some white paint. I'm not going to paint this over again. I was thinking about spray painting it again, but I'm just going to paint these stars over just with a little bit of white paint, just to darken it just a bit, because I can still see some of that that wood look coming through. And I spray painted this thing quite a few times. But anyway, guys, this is the finished product. And like I said, if you don't want to put your cakes on top of here, you can put your jewelry, you can put your change, you know, you can put your watch, your phone, whatever. You can use it for, this is an all-purpose DIY. And I love it when I do that, because I have so many different ideas for this. Like I said, if you guys stay tuned, when I do my balloon arches and garlands and things like that, you'll see me use these in it as a prop. I will be using it quite a few times as props. I will put cakes on it or set teddy bears on top of it. On and on. It can be used for so many different things. Again, if you see me use this, if you stay tuned, you will see me use this in my balloon arch that I have coming up. I'm going to be sitting teddy bears. I'm going to be using teddy bears in my balloon arch. And I will be using these to sit the teddy bears on top of. But in the meantime, my purpose for it is to sit cakes on it. So when I have my little events or whatever the case may be, I can make a 6-inch cake. I believe it's 6 inches. Let me just give it a little measurement. I believe it's 6 inches though. But let's just measure it just to be sure. So here we go. Ooh, yeah, it'll be a 6-inch cake that fits up there. That's the small one I showed you that pan earlier. So guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. Guys, if you like this project, you know what you have to do. Just give me a thumbs up and make sure you come back because I got a treat for you.